Let me ask you a question, and this question is for all of the Salesforce administrators, developers, and consultants out there. How are you capturing your data from different web platforms or web forms into Salesforce? Is it through custom code and API? Or using a third-party application? If you feel like saying yes to any of these questions, then I know what all you're going through. Countless hours of writing and maintaining the code for different web forms. Unappealing user interfaces for the web forms. Losing data from your web forms. Security issues and whatnot. Don't you think that it is time for you to get away from all of these worries and live a happy and a peaceful life like this? If yes, then stop writing the freaking code and start using Form Assembly to build your web forms, like beautiful web forms, to capture your data directly into Salesforce in just 3 steps. Number 1. Build. Form Assembly has got a very easy to use and intuitive form builder with the help of which you'll be able to develop or build beautiful web forms which will be secure, responsive, and very appealing to your end users. This form builder allows you to add validations, formulas, pre-filled data, file attachments, CAPTCHA, e-signatures, and whatnot into your web form. After building the web form, now is the time to move on to the second step, which is connecting the web form. With the help of Form Assembly's Salesforce connector, you'll be able to send your data which you're capturing from your web forms directly into any of the Salesforce standard or custom object to capture or to basically create a new record or update an existing one. Storing the data in more than one object inside Salesforce or storing the data which you're capturing from your web forms inside a Google Sheet is also something that you will be able to do with the help of Form Assembly. And by the way, Form Assembly also provides integrations with Stripe and PayPal to enable payments through web forms. After building your web form and connecting it to the data source or to the data center where all of the data will be captured, now is the time to actually go to the third step, and that is to publish the web form. With Form Assembly, you get different options to publish your form on. Like you can send a link with the help of which people will be able to submit the data or the information on that particular web form. You also have the capability to embed the web form into a website with the help of which you can collect the data. With Form Assembly, you can even collect data offline as well with mobile forms and sync it to your account when you have access to the internet again. I know there is something that's bothering you. Are you worried about the compliances? Don't worry, Form Assembly got you covered. They are compliant with compliances like HIPAA, GDPR, FERPA, BAA, GLBA, and recently FedRAMP for government applications as well. So if you want to know more about Form Assembly, then there's a link down in the description with the help of which you can get a free trial for 14 days and try your hands onto it. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that link down there. And by the way, you don't need any credit card for it. So just hit the link down in the description to get the free 14-day trial. And if you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment your thoughts down in the comment box. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button over here with the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first one to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.